So far so good. That was a good ride. Let's go check the lake. Guys, I'm super duper excited. Especially like I can't do like sweatpants or shorts when I'm riding a bike. So that was a pretty nice experience.
Hey guys, so once I took care of the heat issue, I took to Panigale for a ride. Want to make sure that everything is working perfectly. Want to make sure that after all the improvement, I don't feel any heat. And I was actually shocked with the result. I'm being honest. Give it a try. Take your time. If they say, oh, it's gonna take 30-40 minutes, it's gonna take longer. It took me 5 hours, I'm gonna be honest. It was my first time taking the part out and doing all the changes that it was necessary, but I saw the improvement. So all that 5-6 hours of time that I invested, that I put on, all the energy, all the, I don't know, stress and stuff, every single second of it was worth it because I had a huge improvement. I'm not gonna lie. Even once I was turning on the bike, after like a couple of minutes, you would feel the heat, not from the exhaust, but from the sides, from the seat. Especially if you're riding it for like 10-15 minutes, you're gonna feel it. There's no way you don't feel it. But once I did the improvement, that was a solid change. Make sure to check out the video to see how you're gonna do the improvement, what you need to do improvement. And if you have any questions, comment below. But I'm giving you guys a solid review. From seat, here, we did improvement on the seat, on the engine, like on the sides, both sides, here too. And I'm gonna give you an honest answer and honest review. Especially on the seat, I had like zero heat issue, no issue from the seats for sure. Nothing on the right side. I would say like maybe 5% here, maybe. But other than that, everything is perfect, working nice on it. Give it a try and you're gonna love it. Thank you so much guys. Have a beautiful, blessed day.